Greetings, my precious viewers. Welcome to the 17th episode in our video series about WordPress for beginners. Without introduction words, let's put our hands on today's topic. These are the categories and tags in WordPress. Categories and tags are a very important part of WordPress. With categories, you can easily organize content on your website or blog, while tags are more specific. Describe your posts in more detail. Here we are on NN website on blog page. Usually categories you can find on sidebar on right side or left side of our screen. So if we click on our first post, okay, also you can see categories here, and I have how to install and WordPress categories. Okay, if I click on edit, I can here in document settings, I can add another categories. For example, I want to write down the post about themes, and my new category name is themes. Parent category, I can assign WordPress and click on add new. For example, if I want to write about HTML and CSS tricks, I can add another categories, but 2 or 3 categories is the best practice. Okay, in default WordPress installation, uncategorized for categories, uncategorized is by default. And this is good because if you see that you have uncategorized categories, you can assign a category for your post. Now let's go to our dashboard, and beneath the post, click on categories. Here you can add a new category, add slug, assign parent, and type a description. This is self-explanatory stuff, just read it. And here we have uncategorized. Okay, for now I don't have themes category or subcategory, and I want to delete it. Click here on delete and click on OK. If you want to change these settings for category to that not to be uncategorized by default, go to your settings and click on reading, not reading, writing. I already changed it, but default post category and categorized is default, and you can choose WordPress. Click on save changes, and that's all. One more time, go to our posts, click here to see this post, our first post, and find the categories. Find the tags. Tags are more specific and describe your posts in more detail. Usually tags are on the button post, and for first step in WordPress for my post, I have tags, how to install WordPress, NNWeb, origin plugins, and so on. I hope that now you know differentiation between categories and tags, and this is a very important things for organize your content and for search engine optimization itself. Okay guys, I work hard to put a limit on length to this video. Like it, share it, spread the word to your colleagues, friends. It is very helpful to me. Thank you for watching this video. See you next time. Bye bye.